I'm making a sourdough banana cake with brown butter and maple cinnamon cream cheese frosting. Start by browning the butter over medium heat. It's gonna foam and sizzle, and pretty soon it'll get some nice brown bits. Just be careful that you don't burn it. Once it's nice and brown, then put it in a bowl and let it cool down just a bit. Next, mix in the brown sugar and the vanilla extract until it's smooth. Then stir in each of the eggs. Next, you want to mash the banana up real well until it's nice and smooth and add that to the batter. Next, pour in the sourdough discard and a little bit of buttermilk and stir that into the batter real well. Place a metal sifter over the bowl and add the flour, salt, baking powder, and baking soda. Sift that in and then fold that gently into the batter. Place that into a baking pan and toss it in the oven. While the cake is baking, make the cream cheese buttercream. Start by creaming the butter and sugar together really well until it's nice and creamy. This coats the sugar in butter fat and prevents as much water from being drawn out of the cream cheese. Then add the cream cheese and blend that up really well. Finally, beat in the maple syrup, vanilla extract, and a little bit of ground cinnamon. Once the cake is completely cooled, then you can spread it on the cake. I added a few dollops of maple syrup on top and did a little swirly pattern just for a little extra maple. This cake is so tender and moist. If you want to do a long ferment on this recipe, just stick the batter in the fridge overnight, pull it out the next day, and bake it.